Making money is like having an orgasm. That means when you focus on it, you're never going to get it. The only way to get orgasm is to actually just enjoy the process of doing it, right? And that is how making money works, is that you go out and do things that you truly care about. And it's not about finding the purpose of life, it's finding the purpose in life, finding the meaning in life. That means enjoying the things that you're doing and being totally obsessed about it.
I love that. Okay, so making money is like an orgasm.
Yes.
It is the journey.
Yes.
And not the ending.
That's right. When you focus on it, you never get orgasm. That's just an amazing point.
I noticed that in all of the companies that you and your kids started, there was always this greater social good, right? Whether it's optimizing the way people pay mortgages, giving rewards to people who are paying rent, giving people a healthy gut microbiome. Your entire family is focused on solving grand problems that can impact 1 billion people or more.
Well, that's the thing, because you know if you can anyway help 1 billion people live a better life, you can create a $100 billion company, because that's a byproduct of it.